today is Wednesday, and tomorrow morning we head out and we go to Wilmington. I'm sorry, we go to Emerald Isle, then we go to Wilmington, then we go to Old Dallas Brewery. Yeah, so we got to get up at 11 and be out by 12, and be there by 4, 6, whatever. It's a 5-hour drive, so we're gonna try to be there by 6 or 7. Yeah, but we're about to have to say goodbye to this guy. Oh, don't cry. Just for a couple more days.
About to eat a brownie. I am.
What kind of brownie is she talking about? I better go. I might even want to partake in this. So, yeah. See you on the road. That's the sound of leaving Shelby. Yeah, so we don't have air conditioning in the car. And for once I'm in the passenger seat. Hello?
I'm driving.
She's driving. I'm scared.
There's traffic. Not fun.
Yeah, so we're stuck in traffic. But I am actually posting our first weekly update on Patreon right now, which is exciting because we started a Patreon 2 weeks ago, put our first mock episode up, our first attempt at an episode. Pilot, and it really sucked to us because we weren't doing much in it, but it was fun to make, and we learned. It was learning is what I was trying to say.
They were learning things.
So we're putting up week 1 right now, and I just wanted to document that because it's cool. It's a kind of a milestone for us, right?
Yeah.
What's up? We just got to the bar and did sound check. Insert video. Well, I saw you too, girl, you don't look well. You can't stand a man who's had your whole damn cheeseburger, I can tell. And we're about to go to the hotel, check in, hang out for a second, and come back and play. We play at 9. I have written down 9:30. I saw someone post 8:30, and now I'm playing 9. We're compromising at 9. This happens a lot. Goes down easy. I'm gonna do it just like that tonight. Not really. I think it sounds cool. If you're good, I'm good. If you enjoy your night, is it all worth it? Is it not kind right? Well, you may try 28 times, 28 times. Sometimes I lay here that she's at 10, and I'm long and I'm a strong man. I think I let it go on and on and on and on again. 'Cause I know once I visit, live my life, she's gone like the wind. What's going on? We found a break in the rain just long enough to get a shot of the water. She's there? No, she's not there. She's there. She can't see this. Woo. Crusty ocean. Crustacean. Okay, well that's different.
Crusty ocean.
Like lobster and crayfish. I'm bored already. So, say, burn, burn. Oh, it goes down easy, it's never gonna save me. Oh, it's never gonna leave me. Made it to Wilmington. Her hair can't stand. We got about 5 hours to spare, so we're gonna walk around and see what, drink coffee, and do some work and see what we can get into, and then find some killer places to eat. We're gonna places plural. We're gonna eat twice. 2 dinners. The show's gonna be pretty slow tonight. Everything's gonna be halftime. Most of it's already halftime, so it's gonna be quarter time. I got a brand new bottle of whiskey. You see the way it treats me when I say burn, burn. Goes down easy, it's never gonna save me. Oh, it's never gonna leave me. Oh, this brand new bottle of whiskey. Oh, whiskey. So we're down here getting shots of downtown Wilmington, the Riverwalk, and the wind is blowing like crazy, so, and there's a storm coming in. We got about half a mile to go back to our car, so we're just gonna take cover.
Take cover.
Like real troopers.
The Honda.
This is how I truly judge towns. How tall are your cranes? Wilmington gets a B. I haven't been there many places, so. Can I focus? Boom! So we're really smart. And we're gonna wait a storm out in a car with no air conditioning.
Now we're gonna roll the windows down unless it starts raining.
I've been at the places I say things to me. I still do not say I'm the only one sitting there. It's full of love and me. You and me.
It's still inside playing. I got some footage, stayed for like 30 minutes, and now I'm outside trying to get some work done. So I've realized I have a ton to do and not enough time, and it's a lot easier to do with the car sitting still than it is with it moving. So I'm probably gonna work for a few hours and might go try to catch the end. He gets done at 11, it's 8:30, so just gonna work for a little while, and I think I'm driving home so that Jonathan can work in the car. So
We just got done with our show at the Fly Trap Brewing in Wilmington. Yeah. What did you think of the show?
it was great. I saw about 30 minutes of it, and then I came to the car and worked.
Welcome to the life of the crazy partying life of a country singer and his girlfriend. There's like a big patio area where they have like a taco truck and stuff.
A taco truck?
Yeah, there was a taco truck. I didn't tell you. Sorry.
Oh, you didn't want me to get no tacos?
No tacos for my taco. Isn't that how you make something feminine in Spanish? You just taca.
La
Yeah.
taca.
Poquita
That
taca.
probably means something
It probably means
horrible.
something terrible, so we'll bleep taca. Every time we say taca, we'll bleep it. So we just got back from the Broad River Hemp Company. I think she thought she could blow me on, and I would be a bigger man. Somewhere in this lonely night, she's gone and lost all of her good sense. It ain't no secret I was old. Awesome. Y'all go check it out. We'll put the website, I think they said the website will be up in a couple of weeks, so we'll put the link, and if it doesn't work, it means that it's coming soon. So, hell yeah, it was awesome. Congratulations, Josh and Scotty, and all the Biddixes. So we announced our second Hillbillies and Guitars tour today of the year. So last year we did our first one, which me and Justin Clyde, basically neither one of us had toured before, toured. You know, we've been running around the area doing 300 shows a year for forever. And we decided we wanted a tour, so we just started putting something together, and it turned into Hillbillies and Guitars. And so we did another one this year, me and Justin, around the same areas we did last year. Doing that with Marty Brooks. The only difference between Hillbillies and Guitars and a regular tour is that it's a song swap instead of a traditional show where someone opens up for someone else. So when me, Tim Allen, Rich Henderson, and I started talking about doing some song swaps, whenever we come up with a name for it, I was like, I got a brand in Hillbillies and Guitars. Let's use it. Because I try to keep all my song swaps to Hillbillies and Guitars. So that's what we did, and we announced that today. But it's in August, so I'm really excited about that. And it's getting good response too. Yeah, and then, so now that that's out of the way, that's the business for the day. We kind of started this thing, me and Ange, a long time ago, like in 8th grade, the songwriting and learning how to perform. And I mean, just recently we started touring and figuring out touring and, cutting records and, getting better at, we're getting a whole lot better at putting together marketing packages for tours and shows, and how to build different cities in terms of fan bases, how to spread the music. When God gives you songs, you serve those songs, and that's what we're getting better at every day. But the one thing that we have been absolutely terrible at, like 100% terrible at, since we've been touring,
is our diet. Being on the road, it's super hard to watch what you eat, because we eat a lot of fast food, and we eat out, and we eat gas station food, and cheap and not healthy. So we both put on the pounds, and basically we had to make a decision to make a change. So
it's the one thing we haven't been worth a damn at. Ironically, worth a damn.
So this is gonna be a work in progress, I'm sure. And
yeah. So we're gonna try to document some of it. I'm sure we'll fail. We kind of started this like months ago, and we've been failing ever since. It's just kind of been you just spill coffee down your shirt or something?
no.
That's hot.
People can relate to it, in their hometowns, and a lot of things that they hold dear. This one's called Carolina Hills. Have you ever seen a Carolina moon dancing on the lake? Or felt the warm drops from the summertime rain? Have you ever heard a V8 sound with the windows rolled down? Looking in the rear view, watching the dust settle to the background. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh. We played a show together at Puckett's in Charlotte last year, and that was the first time, we met each other. Obviously, he's a great musician, great songwriter. So we're glad to be sharing the stage with him tonight.
We just got in from Dallas, North Carolina, and that's a wrap.
Lord, I'm proud to say that I'm from these Carolina hills.